Today I'm gonna show you how to make an amazing banana bread. I have a small bowl here with 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add a ½ teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then all you have to do is give it a good whisk. Perfect! I have a large bowl with ½ cup of softened, room temperature butter. If you forget to take the butter out of the fridge, you can put it in the microwave on defrost mode for about a minute and soften it up. I'm gonna add 1 cup of sugar and now cream these 2 ingredients together with a hand mixer, or you could use a fork or a wooden spoon. Add 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, then give it a good mix. Scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula. Now add a ½ cup of sour cream. The sour cream is optional, then give it a good mix. Scrape the sides of the bowl one more time. And now you need really ripe bananas. Then remove the peels, and once you have them all peeled, you just need to mash them up. You can use a fork and just mash them that way, or a lot of times I'll use a meat tenderizer and just smash them down. And then put the mashed bananas in the bowl and give it a good mix, just until incorporated. Now add the flour mixture and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. You can just mix that cinnamon in with the dry ingredients beforehand if you want. The cinnamon is optional. Just mix this up. And now give the sides of the bowl a good scrape. There we go, a nice banana bread batter. Grease a 5 by 9 inch bread pan or an 8 by 4 inch pan with shortening or butter. Then put in a tablespoon of flour and tap it all around to cover the bottom and the sides. And now pour the banana bread batter in the pan. Then just come in here and smooth it out. Bake it in a preheat oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes, or maybe a few minutes more, until when you poke it with a toothpick, it comes out clean. And when it comes out of the oven, it'll look something like this, and be nice and golden brown on the top. Let it sit and cool completely, just right there in the pan. Once the banana bread is cool, run a cake spatula or butter knife around the edges to loosen, and then turn the bread over onto our cutting board. Look at that, didn't stick at all. Looks amazing.